This shows a web seminar system presentation. Once you will get and go into OnDeCo-E site. You can start web seminar system by using YouTube. And at the same time please get each textbook by OnDeCo-E site. You can start inside of 1 hour seminar before to start your Kaizen.
Nice to meet you today. My name is Shigehiro Nakamura. Today, I would like to explain about the web seminar system. The name is OnDeCo. OnDeCo means the on-demand control system. Therefore, you can see anytime, any place, like that. Please use this system. From now, I would like to explain about this system at the next movie. Thank you.
I will explain the history of Mr. Nakamura in charge of the instructor. He had worked just 20 years companies on Hitachi metals. As you can see, he stayed at the development department, then, he has been responsible for a lot of improvement work at the center of the work of production management and improvement. Feature point is a number of project leader and in-house consultants. After year 2000, he went JMA. As you can see he covers IEQC JITORs. There are many items are taking care. He has published 75 books by year 2015. 3 books in English version has been published. OnDeCo-E site has 5 improvement methods. First series is Japan top-down plus bottom-up improvement management. And I will introduce the small group activities and management directly type improvement companies have been successful in Japan. Second series is speed improvement and 5 S's and at this series shows loss elimination methods by using video. Third series is zero defects. Here are the specific measures of human error zero measures and in-process quality assurance. At fourth series I will introduce the technology of site management, including the TPM. It is mainly supervised measures in the field. Fifth is systematic layout planning and just-in-time and SCM for lead time reduction. When you will use this 5 series, quality improvement, cost reduction, and shortened delivery times, a variety of productivity improvement should proceed effectively. However, if there is a residual problem on your floor, Mr. Nakamura will receive some membership requests. He will post a countermeasure to Series 6 later. And please look at the figure below the underline. Here showed 3 steps found in the Series 2. This is a sample which a member wants. I want to waste elimination of the site by using a video. If a member opens the site in this needs, a person will be able to learn an application example and improvement technique in 3 steps with web download text of this site. Video is about 1 hour. If necessary, you can stop and see in the middle of the video, with or back at many times. This is the assumption that enters the step 1 of the series 2 is a diagram showing the situation for receiving the seminar as an image. The purpose of looking at this screen is the purpose of our members advances the improvement using video analysis. Web seminars will provide educational materials in 3 stages. Step 1 is understanding of improvement theory. Step 2 is mastery of improvement method, and Step 3 is know the improvement case. After the web seminar, please take advantage of in the field that you have learned. The point is practice. I think you can be sure you'll get the results. When this improvement step is completed, you will proceed to Step 2. As a result, you should get a plus achievements to Step 1. In this way, you will step up. But if you can't resolve a problem, you can question a problem solution. Please send email to Mr. Nakamura by using OnDeCo-E site. You can get some countermeasures soon. It will be case by case. But the feedback is about a few days maybe. In addition, there is also a secret matter, but does not publish individual questions. I would like to explain email magazine and a Q&A site and this system is added, I think with your help. Similar question is to introduce together Mr. Nakamura. Now I will exclude this improvement method's usage. In the case of waste elimination, you have to study how to find an improved method of waste, such as the upper right corner of the figure in the web seminar. After that, you are to take video of the target work in the field, and start a work process analysis to make a more good and easy job process with your member. This shows on OnDeCo-E site. Once you will go into this left side, you can get the movie which you are looking now. If you want to become OnDeCo-E member, you can get a registration form from this screen. And if you want to get the membership, please send it to Mr. Nakamura by email with a sign and a bank transfer certificate to the registration certificate. After that, Mr. Nakamura will be sent to you ID which is registration to OnDeCo-E, and the same time you can use it like figure number 1. Once you will get the membership ID, you can go into OnDeCo-E site which you want. This light side figure shows a sample which a member wants to get, like this figure number 2 and number 3. As you see, this member wants to get speed Kaizen site. Please look at left side of this figure. It shows one of the target which this customer want to get for improvement. When you want to start movie, please use YouTube. And if you use textbook about it, please download textbook of it and some materials in this site. From now I will show you improvement sample. Before it, please look at this figure. Once you will use this speed improvement method, you can eliminate work process time like this 42% soon. Anyway, I will start movie which is the before improvement status. This job is a part processing at aircraft parts manufacturer. There are many temporary works at this plant. Now he is drilling a part with keeping the parts in a temporary instrument, but this job's status is very bad. As you see, this part fixed status is very danger. Because it is not a perfect method of fixing this part and not so good system of the body by the operator to drill, the unstable parts of the fix easy to make defect. When you catch this kind of no so good jobs by using VIDE, please start and make improvements by using this web Kaizen system soon. You will get good work process soon. This is a sample of the before Kaizen work process and time. On this case, OnDeCo-E used the process analysis of industrial engineering. This analysis result shows a lot of improved points. As you see, this photo shows a very dangerous job status and not easy job. And same time you can catch wasteful work process flow line on the upper side figure. When you will use like this process analysis, you have to think work other than network. I will say value added job is loss has to be eliminated. Please look at the work process and time analysis table. Process analysis table shows each review of each job element step by step. And the same time this table shows each looking point of improvement. In this web training system has a detailed process analysis explanation and case study with training. So therefore the audience can understand this kind of process analysis and improve methods easily, I believe. Please look at this figure right side. After the members of everyone has to learn is the stage to use the learned in the field approach. As shown in the bottom of the figure, you can contact us by email to Mr. Nakamura and you will get some countermeasure in few days. And this information will never open to other person. However, if the question is very different from this improvement technique, or in the case of consultation requirements, he can't make answer of it to you, maybe. This is another matter to this web system. This kind of question and measures, separately, might be an option.
Thank you today. Already all OnDeCo outline showed on the video. This Kaizen system very speedy and practical. You can use this Kaizen system on the floor. Once you will go into our member, see you again and start Kaizen with me. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your attendance on the web seminar system. Finally, I will introduce the whole system structure on this figure. Mr. Nakamura is looking forward to enroll in many of everyone.